Okay, today I got a VFL 4800 watts 1 ohm hybrid. I'm installing the AP audio pipe to a Honda Civic 2009. So here's the radio. So I ran the power by making the holes down here, as you can see. Right there, it's gonna be a quick video I'm doing. I'm gonna run the remote wire anyway, even though I don't really. Here we go. So I'm gonna pry all of this out. This lock right there has got the screw in here, so you got to take that screw out after you pop it open. Back over here, I'm using the. I just had to seal that part right there for the drill. I made about a 1/2 inch drill running a 4 gauge. I'm not going to run the remote wire. I did run a remote wire just in case I had to do it. Some of them you might. So I ran it out here. There's a Phillip right there you have to remove by popping that piece off right there. So just take a flathead and pop it. And I'm sealing it back. And then run it over there. Over here you need a 14mm. Remove that out so you can pop this out and run the wire over here. And then back over here, you got ground, you got remote, you got power. Now I did run the Case Lock 2, as you can see right there. Case Lock 2's got a remote output, so I put the remote right there. And then you got the gray, black, white, black to the negative, gray and white to the red positive. So I'm running it to the speaker right over there. Now you got yellow to the positive, and then you got brown to the negative, which is the black, and red is the ground. That's to run it to this high-low converter. Most of you guys mentioned about, oh, why don't you do both of them? No, I don't have to, because it sounds basically the same unless you listen to some music that is got surrounded sound. Usually it doesn't. And then the ground, I made basically a normal ground. You don't have to get an expert ground where you have to use a bolt, anything like that. You just 2 screw. Make sure you use 2 self-type of screw so it won't move when the bass hit. And that's it. Just turn on your system, it should work. And yes, I forgot to mention this. This is a 10mm. Just put a 10mm and a fuse holder right there. Always use a fuse holder. If you don't have fuse holder, I wouldn't recommend that. That's a fire hazard.
For the quality of foods that you're eating, we can dial those things in for you on a specific person-by-person basis so that you know that you're getting great results. And the big thing that we do in our office is try to make it as affordable for you as possible to get to and achieve amazing health. And really, we start when we were on the show today.